Hello everyone, today I am back with another guesstimate video. So suppose in an interview, the interviewer asks that estimate total number of flights taking off from Delhi. So the answer might not be accurate. They doesn't see that answer must be accurate. They see the structure, the logic and the answer must be messy. That is mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. They see your structure, not the accuracy. So let's see how to solve. So before solving, I will say that I would like to take a couple of minutes to go through the structure of the problem. Is that fine? Then first I will ask the preliminary question. So first see the ambiguous word. The first ambiguous words which I feel is the flights. Which flights? During so I will ask that should I consider domestic flight or international flights too? Then the interviewer may say only domestic flights. Then second ambiguous word is the duration. So I will ask that I am considering a duration, I am doing analysis over 24-hour period. Is that fine? If interviewer will say yes, then go again, then start it. I will say that Delhi IGI airport has 3 terminals, assuming 2 runways per terminals. So I am first calculating the total flights when airport is operating at 100% capacity. So here 100% capacity means that continuously flights are coming and going. It is operating at full potential, full capacity. So then assuming average time to land or take off is around 5 minutes. So in 1 hour, around 12 flights can land or take off in one runway. There are 6 runways. So total 70 flights, around 70 flights can land or take off in Delhi IGI airport when airport is working at 100% capacity. But then I am calculating average capacity of airport, that is average air efficiency of airport, means which is general, because airport does not always work at 100% capacity. So I am dividing the time in 3 categories, that is 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Assuming that during 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. there is light traffic because of less passenger demands, and during night, so assuming 70% efficiency, so calculating around 300 flights will be there. And during 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. assuming moderate traffic, because due to high number of demands during day of both domestic and international flights, so around 90% efficiency is there, so approximately 400 planes will be there. And during 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. there is heavy traffic due to high number of demands of both domestic and international flights, so there will be around 900 flights. This I calculated that in 1 hour there were 70 flights, so in 6 hours there will be 6 into 70 and there is 70% efficiency, so I multiplied it. Similarly I calculated this, so around 1500 flights are there, which I have divided it into international and domestic both. And since India has more number of domestic flights due to more demand of it, so assuming 70% domestic flights and 30% international flights, then I calculated 70% of 1500, which is around 1000 flights can land or take off. And since a flight uh, a flight needs both landing and takeoff, so I divided it by 2. So by these assumptions I estimate that around 500 flights are taking off in a day at Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. So basically there can be numerous methods, so you need to tell the interviewer the proper structure. They does not see the accuracy, they see the logic and the structure behind it.